Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image in Microsoft Word with perfect dimensions. If you've ever added a picture to a Word document and noticed that it looks stretched, blurry, or misaligned, you're not alone. Getting images to look clean and professional in Word can be tricky if you don't know the right steps. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert, resize, and adjust images without losing quality. Let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Place your cursor exactly where you want the image to appear. This is important because Word inserts images at the cursor position by default. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click Pictures. Choose this device if the image is saved on your computer, then select the image and click Insert. The image will now appear in your document. Now, let's talk about resizing the image without distorting it. Click on the image to select it. You'll see small circles called sizing handles around the edges. Always resize the image by dragging a corner handle, not a side handle. This keeps the image proportions locked and prevents stretching. For even more precise control, go to the Picture Format tab. In the Size group on the right side, you can manually enter the exact height and width of the image. Make sure the Lock Aspect Ratio option is enabled so the image keeps its original shape while resizing. Next, let's fix image positioning. Click on the image, then select Layout Options or Wrap Text. Choose In Front of Text or Square if you want to freely move the image around the page. This is especially useful for posters, certificates, and cover pages. If you're working with printed documents, it's also important to use the right measurement units. Go to File, click Options, then choose Advanced. Scroll down to the Display section and set your measurements to inches or centimeters, depending on your preference. Another helpful tip is to check image resolution. High-resolution images look sharper when printed. Avoid resizing very small images to large sizes, as this can cause pixelation. If possible, use images that are already close to the size you need. You can also use the Align tools under the Picture Format tab to center the image perfectly on the page. Choose Align Center or Align Middle for a balanced layout. Once everything looks right, zoom in and preview your document in Print Layout view to make sure the image appears exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to insert an image in Microsoft Word with perfect dimensions and professional results. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.